What's going on? Welcome to a brand new video. Today we are looking at the TobenONE UDS033 docking station. And to see if they have improved from the previous docking station, the UDS030. So let's get started. In the box comes the docking station itself, a Thunderbolt 4 cable, as well as the power supply for the docking station. Now the brick is quite large, so I like to Velcro this to my cable organizer under my desk to keep it neat and tidy. Ports on the back include Display 1, which can be either HDMI or DisplayPort. Display 2 out, which also can be HDMI or Display out. Both of these support 4K 60 Hz, then the next two ports can output to a single monitor up to 8K 30 Hz and are HDMI and or DisplayPort. Then we have a 10 gig USB-A port, Gigabit Ethernet, power port, and a Thunderbolt port for the connection to the laptop. Ports on the front include 3 USB-A 10 gig ports, 2 USB-C 10 gig ports, SD card and micro SD card, and a 3.5mm connection for a microphone or headphones. Features on this dock are quite good. There are plenty of I/O ports available on the front of the dock. I do wish there was more on the back than just the single USB-A, but when plugging everything on my desk, like my wireless headphones, Stream Deck, audio mixer, I do run it through a powered USB hub, and this keeps the docking station itself from having to power all of these devices and just running into any other problems. Now this dock can run up to 4 displays simultaneously on a compatible Windows computer, and up to 3 displays on a MacBook. But when looking on the back of the dock, there are more than 3 or 4 ports. Only one of these ports can be used for either Display 1 and Display 2. The other HDMI and DisplayPort can be used separately, and like I mentioned before, it can output to the 8K 30Hz monitor. Right out of the box, this docking station uses DisplayLink to work, which requires you to download and install a driver before being able to use this docking station. The issue with DisplayLink is that it records your screen, which causes streaming service like Netflix and others not to work. If you use your laptop to watch Netflix and streaming services a lot, do take note. Watching a YouTube video through the dock, I did notice a few issues, but I wasn't able to consistently recreate the issue. It was more of a on random kind of thing, but the video did stutter at times. Other than that, performance was great. Transfer speeds were at par with similar accessories. Either using the SD card slot or plugging in a USB hard drive, everything worked well. Now, I only have 2 displays hooked up to my MacBook, but I had no issues while editing these videos on a 4K display and editing off an external hard drive. Performance was at par when plugging everything into my laptop separately. I think this is one of the best docking stations that I have tested this year, and if you can live with the DisplayLink drivers, then you will really enjoy using it. TobenONE does offer other docking stations that don't use DisplayLink, and I reviewed one late last year, so go ahead and check that video out in the description below. My one and only change would be to take a USB-A port from the front of the device and put it on the back, as only having a single port on the back is just not enough for the amount of equipment that I use, and I'm sure it's just not enough for most desk setups, because this is taking a full desk setup and bringing it into your laptop. I will leave links below if you want to take a closer look. Thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next upload.